Hi, it's Rachel. In this video, we will review the QuickStats dashboard. When you first log into the system, you'll be brought to this dashboard. If you navigate away, you can return by clicking on Dashboard, then QuickStats. Across the middle of the page are some color-coded, at-a-glance views that tell you about transactions for the group you are currently working in. On the screen, you can see the breakdown of transaction statuses: completed in green, pending in yellow, canceled and closed in red, expired and voided in gray. I am currently looking at transactions from this year across my group, so any users in this group that are creating transactions will show up in this view. If I change it to my transactions, I will only see transactions that I have created as a user in the system. If I am a member of multiple groups, I can filter my view by selecting this group plus subgroups, or all groups. You can also filter the results by time period. This can be filtered by this week, last 7 days, this month, this quarter, and this year. Below the quick glance status rectangles are two sections: recently created transactions and recently updated workflow templates. Recently created transactions will show you the transaction ID, description, and status of the transactions created most recently. If you selected to include all groups, you will also see the group the transaction was created in. If you don't see the transaction that you are looking for, click on View More Results to bring you to the Advanced Status Report search page. Recently updated workflows templates will show you the most recently edited or updated workflows. You will see options to launch, test, and edit those workflows from this dashboard. If you do not see the workflow you are looking for, click on View More Results to bring you to the Workflow Templates launch page. You also have the ability to create a transaction or start the process of creating a new workflow template. This can be done by clicking on the Send Document for e-signature button. This will then open the Workflows page in the Workflow Designer. That's our review of the QuickStats dashboard. Thank you for watching.